In this tutorial, you're going to create a countable hole inside this block using Siemens NX. Before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any upload, and leave a like on this video. If you need more tutorials in SolidWorks and Siemens NX, make sure to check out the videos on my channel so we can learn together. Now let's get right into it. These are a few dimensions that are going to guide us to create this countable hole. So first, create a square block of dimension 100 and a height of 20 millimeters. So click on extrude, sketch section, OK. And use the rectangle tool and use the from center method. Click on this origin and specify the dimensions as 100 by 100 and press enter. Finish, and the height of the block should be 20 millimeters and click OK. To create a countable hole, click on the hole feature. And you have to specify where the point or the center of the hole should be. So click on the sketch section again. Come to this face here, click on it and click OK. Now with the point tool, click anywhere inside this face. Now you specify the vertical and horizontal dimensions or distances from the center of the hole to the edges. So they are all 50 millimeters. So click on close and double click on this dimension and change it to 50 millimeters. Double click on this and change it also to 50 millimeters. Close. Now click on finish. And now we come to the form of the hole. Click on this and change it to countable. So we have different types of holes. We have the simple hole, which is here, a countable hole, a countersunk hole, and a tapered hole. So we use a countable hole. And a countable diameter is 30 millimeters and the depth is 8. And the hole diameter is 20 millimeters and is through to the next surface. So the countable diameter specifies as 30, the countable depth 8, the hole diameter 20, and the depth limit until next, and click OK. Now in order to get the section view of this block to see the actual countable, come to menu, view, section, and click on new section. And you can change the distance from the edge here. So change this offset distance to any distance you want. If you want to get the perfect mid view of it, come to this side and change it to 0. Click OK. In order to disable the section view, again come to menu, view, and section, and click on clip section. And here, that's how to create a countable hole in Siemens NX. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Let me know in the comment section any problems you have in Siemens NX, and I'll be willing to help. I'll see you in the next tutorial.